How to send view once photo in WhatsApp. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your WhatsApp application and it will lead you to your chat area, right? Now, the next thing that you want to do is choose the person that you want to send the photo that can only view once. So tap on this person, for example, this. Now, on the bottom part, you'll see the chat section there and you will see a camera icon. Tap on your camera icon and you can either choose photos or your videos. You can choose the photo from your gallery or just create a new photo here, snap a photo there, and then here under on the bottom part you'll see add a caption, and then on the right side of that you will see a one sign there, circle. Tap on that. If you tap on this, make sure that has a blue circle and a one in it, so that means you have set the photo to view once, and tap on send on the bottom part here. And here, if you send the photo here, it will look like this. And basically that is how you send a view once photo in WhatsApp. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.